healthcare careers listed over here. And as you can see, some of the most important ones are nurses, doctors, pharmacists, and physician assistants. But each career has a subcategory. There's not just what you see, but there's more than what you see underneath each career. Does that make sense? So, for example, there are many different types of doctors, many different types of pharmacists, physician assistants, nurses, etc. Yes?
Wait, but I thought pharmacists, they're one of responsible for like counting pills, and I see them working at Walgreens and stuff.
I completely agree. Many people have that thought as well, but that's not necessarily the case. There are many different types of pharmacists, such as clinical, retail, managed care, industry, so many. Good. Then I would recommend you go and shadow them. Shadow each one and see what they do. Maybe that's the best way to learn what each person does in their career.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Hello.
Hi, can I speak to a pharmacist?
Oh, I'm the retail pharmacist here today. I'm Jenna.
I've been having like a constant drip in my nose and allergies and my eyes are like really itchy. Do you recommend anything?
I recommend that you take these antihistamines right here. Just take 2 a day and you should be on your way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, community pharmacy was really interesting, but now I get to see the clinical side of things.
Oh, thank God you're here. I have a patient here that's came here a couple of hours ago and they've had the following symptoms: fever, chills, dehydration, fatigue, loss of appetite, sweating. We ran a couple of tests and we think she has pneumonia. You as a clinical pharmacist, do you have any idea what she should take?
Let me check with the patient first.
Good idea.
Hello, how are you doing today? You're good. How long have you had the symptoms?
For a couple of days.
For a couple of days. Have you had any other medications? No? Okay. From my experience, I would recommend starting her therapy with amoxicillin 500 milligrams. So yeah, that is what I would recommend. From
That's genius.
Well, I didn't know clinical pharmacy actually involved talking to doctors. That was pretty interesting, but now we're going to look at managed care.
Hello, this is pharmacist Celine from Horizon Blue Cross Blue Shield. How may I help you?
Hi, my name is Tiffany. I've been prescribed an inhaler and I've been using it, but I still have my symptoms for asthma and they're not going away. I wanted to know if there was anything you could do to help me.
Let me check your profile for a second. Okay, so I see here you've been prescribed a take as needed inhaler, and you should really be on maintenance asthma medication, so I'll talk to your doctor about this.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.
Wow, I didn't really know that managed care pharmacists work so closely with insurance companies. Next, I'm going to learn about industry.
It's going to take a total of 12 to 17 years. In the first 3.5 years, we're going to do a preclinical testing with using laboratory and animal studies. That'll take about 3.5 years, and then from there we're going to file the investigational new drug application. Upon approval, we're going to move on to the next 3 phases. The first phase includes 20 to 100 healthy volunteers, and we're going to do single doses, while on to the second and third stage, we're going to increase the amount of patients that we have with multiple dosages. And then upon receiving good information from those phases, we're going to apply for the new drug application, and then upon that approval, we're going to move on to getting the FDA review process and approval, and then we can market.
So I heard you went and visited different pharmacy settings. How was that?
Well, I had a great experience. I didn't know that pharmacists played so many diverse roles in managed care, retail, industry, and in a clinical setting. But what really struck out to me is that even though they're so different, they all have the same goal, and that's to improve the health of the community.
I'm so glad you were able to figure that out. It's true, pharmacists have many different positions out there in the healthcare field, but their main goal is to serve the public and make sure their health is their priority.
Yeah, I really do love that message, so I'm definitely going to apply to pharmacy school, and who knows, one day I can become a pharmacist and have an impact on patients' lives.